Okay, just a quick video here to show you how to log into your cPanel and create a new email for your website. Okay, so this is where we need to come, and if you notice up here the web address, this is the address you need. It's a little bit odd, but take note of it to log into your backend or your cPanel. So here we are. I've just got a client's username, and I'll just put in the password there, and we're going to log in. Now these details here, username and password, will be sent to you, and you will receive a whole range of information about how to log in the username and the password, both for cPanel and for various other things. So your domain name, your FTP, and your email addresses, which we'll be setting up. So it's taking just a little while to log in, but here we go. Here is the cPanel, and this really is where you can navigate through all the different functions of your hosting package and the back end of your website. So if you notice, come to the login, this is what you'll see in your cPanel. You've got a whole lot of different preferences here. This is the name of the website, the disk usage, the monthly bandwidth transfer, where your last login comes from, of course mail. You can use it and set up here the different files that you have on your site, statistics and different ways of measuring what's happening. Here's some security measures, and again, managing your domains, databases, which is important for your site, such as WordPress, some simple software and services. Simple scripts is an easy way to extend your site, and you can play around with some of these if you like, although you don't have to. So that's the beautiful thing. But what we're going to do now is we're going to set up an email address. So we'll go to email accounts. That's what we want to do, is to add an email account. And you can also set up forwarders and autoresponders. For example, you might have a generic email address, reception at, info at, and you want to be able to just forward that to your regular email address. You can use those different functions there. So here we are. Here's our email accounts, and this is a client. So I'm going to type in here a new email address, info at, and you can see here that's just simply the name of the email address, the password again, and there's a couple of ways you can do that. You can put in your own password, and that will be able to put that in there. That's saying that's not fully as it should be, so let's just change that, and we'll go again, and it's saying that's okay now. Come on, help me out here, buddy. And that's one way of doing it. Or you can simply use your password generator, and the password generator will automatically generate a password for you, and you can copy that and put that away somewhere safe, and you can say yes, I've copied it, and we are going to use that password. So let's just get rid of that. Try that again. Thank you. Thanks for the info. Password generator. Okay, we're going to copy and save that. Yes, we've copied it, and we are going to use that password. Okay. So you can create the account, and you can determine the mailbox quota. Of course, you have got limited storage capacity on your hosting package, and so you will need to take care not to over compensate and give a too large of a mailbox there. Of course, you can go to unlimited. You can change that to whatever you want. 250 is the default, and that would probably be what I would recommend. And we just simply go create account, and when we create account, there we go, we've got a new email address. Now you say, well, that's great, how do I use it? Well, if you come over here, you've got two options. You can access it via webmail, which is an online interface where you can log in any internet browser and access your email, or you can configure it using a desktop email client or email client on your phone, such as Outlook or Mail for Apple. And to do that, you simply click there. Obviously, most people prefer that, although the webmail is fine. It's just not very flexible, perhaps, compared to what you might like to be able to do with a desktop client. So when we go here to configure email client, it gives you the information you need, the details you need to log in and to put that into the different clients that you can use. See, you can see here, auto configure your different clients. Outlook and Mail for Mac are obviously the two favorites, and these things will auto configure. So that's simply a file that will be able to be detected by that client, and away you go. Or you can do it by manual settings, and here are the manual settings you can use in setting up your email in one of those clients, such as Outlook, Mail, or something else. You can do it through Gmail. You can do it through a couple of different ways. So plug those things in, and you'll start receiving and sending emails.